How to use Monday.com effectively. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Monday.com the effective way so that you can easily manage your projects, see what's going on, see where you need to pay attention, or what's going well already. So if you're trying to figure out how you can use the Monday.com platform, this is going to be a great video as I'll show you step by step how you can do it even if you are a beginner. Let's get into it. So on Monday.com, you have your main workspace. So if you sign up for an account or go with the free trial, which I'm currently using on this test account, what you can do is simply go to the main workspace, and then right there you'll see a specific board. So you can see this is called Powerful Project Management. Now you can create a board like this or just a project itself, and then right there you can create specific boards for that specific project management project, if that makes sense. This is what it's called right now. You can change it, but on here you'll find a board and that will look like this. So this is very similar to project management tools like Asana. However, all of them look similar, but Monday.com gives you a great overview of what's going on your project. So the way I like to break this down is by simply adding the name from the project right there. So you can simply type in your project. Next up, break down your project into different things. So for example, How to Digital is a board for my own channel that I'm recording on right now. So what I can do is break this project down into multiple things, such as planning the content, editing the videos, recording the videos, and uploading the videos. So you can break down your specific project, whatever that may be, in different subcategories. What you can then do after that is break it down into specific tasks. So instead of having a clouded and foggy workspace where all of this stuff gets combined and you're not sure what you need to do, you can break down your project into multiple subcategories such as these: planning, editing, all of that good stuff, and then break those down into other tasks that need to get done. For example, for planning, I might have to plan or find 20 video topics later tonight. What I can do is simply write down that task, and then what I can do is assign someone to that. So if you're working in a team, what you can do is assign someone from your team to the specific task. So let's say that your employee is gonna do the 20 video topics. You can then add him to that. Now, because this is just a test account, I cannot assign anyone else than my own account. But what you can do is invite a new member by email. So if you click right there, they can join this board. So all of your team members can join this board and they can then see all of this stuff as well so that they can work in this. So what you can do is break down a specific subcategory into specific tasks, such as 20 video topics, Monday.com walkthrough, activity 1, activity 2, activity 3. You can then assign people to that so that they know that they need to do it. Next up, what you can do, and this is what I like about Monday.com, is add a status. Basically, how this works is that you can click on it and you can then add a specific status. Now, they've got all of these pre-made templates, but you can already add your own stuff. Now, let's say that for the 20 video topics, it's planned for later tonight. He can then put in planned, or she, whoever is doing this basically. So then I know that for now, this specific task is planned, and then next up, I can add a timeline. So what I can do is, let's say that needs to be done today. I can pretty much add the date of the 2nd of February. I then know that this needs to be done today, but it's planned as well, which is good. Now let's say that the person is working on it, he or she can change it to working on it, and I then know that that's being done as of right now. So this can get you a great overview of what's going on in your project and also how it's going, and find out if you're going to make it on time. What I like as well is that you can filter it by anything. So let's say that you're trying to figure out what's going on in your project. You want to find out where you need to pay some more attention. What I like doing is simply filtering this on stuck, because then I know who's stuck and which specific activities need more attention. So if I do that and I scroll down, I can see all of the stuff that needs to be done, but they're stuck. So I can then see where the problem is at, and I can then jump in and fix it, because that's the main thing you want to do as a project manager. So that's kind of like the best thing about Monday.com, in my opinion, is that you can easily filter this on anything. You can filter on statuses, owners, so specific people that are doing a task. So let's say that you find out that a lot of people or a lot of activities are stuck. You can see all of this, right? What you can do is filter it by a specific employee so that you can find out if it's just one employee that's stuck all the time. Then you know that you need to train that employee better or simply find a fix for it. So this can give you a great overview of what's going on in your business or in your project, which in my opinion makes this a very good way to do project management, as the main key here is to make sure that everything is running smoothly and automatically, but also having a good understanding of what's going on in your project. So the way I recommend using this is simply creating a board like this one, then adding all of your team members, then pretty much breaking down your project into subcategories and breaking down those subcategories into specific tasks. Then after that, you simply add employees or people that need to do a certain activity, and they can then update you on what's going on. If it's done, awesome. If they're stuck, you know they're stuck and you can then jump in and help them out. If they're working on it, you know that they're working on it. And you get the point. All of this is good for getting an overview and a good understanding of what's going on for your specific project or your business. And that's pretty much how you can use all of these boards. You can see I've got multiple set up here, and some of them look a bit different because they've got a few different labels. You can also work with a checklist like this, but in my opinion, it's better to work with the status, especially for project management. You can see it also works like this. So yeah, that's pretty much how I use Monday.com effectively, and that's all I can recommend doing. If this simple video helps you out, I would appreciate it if you can leave a like on the video. Let me know if you have any questions, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.